Choose a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Gather a white or yellow candle, a small bowl of water, and a few seeds or a symbolic item for intention. If possible, dim the lights and play soft instrumental music or nature sounds to create a sacred atmosphere. Sit comfortably with your feet flat on the ground or cross-legged. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, holding it for a moment, and then exhale slowly. Repeat this breathing pattern 3 times, letting each exhale release tension. Feel yourself fully present in this moment. Imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet or the base of your spine, extending deep into the earth. Visualize these roots absorbing the steady, nurturing energy of the earth, grounding and supporting you. Open your eyes briefly to light the candle. As you do, silently or softly say, "I light this flame to honor the return of the sun, the promise of renewal, and the light within me." Close your eyes again and focus on the warmth and glow of the flame. Picture yourself walking through a winter landscape. Snow blankets the ground, but beneath the surface, you sense the stirrings of life. Visualize small shoots pushing through the soil, the first signs of spring flowers. Feel the promise of growth and renewal around you. Now bring your focus inward. Imagine a small spark of light glowing in your chest, near your heart. With each breath, see this spark grow brighter and warmer, filling your entire body with radiant energy. This is your inner light, your power, and your potential. Holding the seeds or your symbolic item, think about what you wish to nurture in your life. Visualize this intention clearly in your mind. See it growing and blossoming, just as the earth prepares for the abundance of spring. Silently or softly say, "I plant the seeds of my dreams. With love and light, I will nurture them and watch them grow." Take a moment to thank the earth, the sun, and the goddess Bridget, if you feel called, for their guidance and inspiration. Feel gratitude for this moment of connection and renewal. Slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Extinguish the candle, thanking its flame for illuminating your meditation. After the meditation, journal about your intentions and any insights you received. Bury the seeds or your symbolic item in the earth as a way to physically plant your intention. Perform this meditation throughout the Imbolc season to deepen your connection to its energy. May this meditation bring you clarity, renewal, and a sense of purpose. Blessed be.